Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on different units of mass. In real life, the metric system is designed to measure a variety of masses. These can vary from being extremely small to extremely large. We will now look at the main units of mass and give some examples to show how they can be used. We'll start with a milligram. The milligram is a very flexible unit of mass which can be used in a variety of settings. A popular area where milligrams are used is in the area of food, where we are told how much of a certain vitamin or mineral is contained in a specific food. Some common examples can be seen to the right. Specific examples are shown below where we are told how much sodium is contained in the foods shown. So one banana has 2 milligrams of sodium, a cup of orange juice has 25 milligrams of sodium, 6 ounces of yogurt has 70 milligrams of sodium, and so on for the milk, the cereal, and the cottage cheese. The gram. The gram is also very flexible when it comes to measuring the mass of different types of food items. The scale measures 141 grams of flour. What does 20 grams of carb look like? The above picture gives an example of a plate of food containing 20 grams of carbohydrate. The kilogram. The kilogram is very widely used for larger masses, as we can see with the following examples. All gymnasiums use kilograms to show the mass of various equipment. The kilogram is used for body mass. The lift has a maximum capacity of 700 kilograms.